Now, today we're going to discuss very briefly what happens in an OUI case when you've been arrested and you're under the age of 18, meaning that you are a juvenile. Now, most motor vehicle crimes don't fall under the Juvenile Offender Code. However, regular OUIs, a normal OUI, if you're under the age of 18, is in fact a juvenile offense. So in some ways that's better for you. In other ways, it becomes more problematic. For example, if you blow a .08 and you're over the age of 21, or for that matter, you're over the age of 18, the mandatory minimum fine and penalty will be a 90-day loss of license and a $500 fine. There's no mandatory jail. On the juvenile side, you could end up doing some period of incarceration, depending on how things shake out in the juvenile justice system and how things go with the Juvenile Community Corrections Officer, or the JCCO. Now, on the flip side, you could end up doing no time on the juvenile side, and more importantly, that OUI could be completely wiped from your record. So unlike an adult who, if convicted of the crime, has that on their record for life, a juvenile would end up having that sealed, therefore having no criminal record showing when they are an adult. So there are advantages and disadvantages to being caught up in the juvenile criminal system. In my estimation, there are probably more disadvantages than there are advantages. It is a difficult system to deal with. When you have a JCCO involved in your case, it's like being on probation. The conditions of release on your case may be onerous at best and very problematic. So if you've been charged with an OUI and you are under the age of 18, you will need to get your parents involved immediately. They will be notified, and you really absolutely need to get a qualified drunk driving defense attorney involved. Please feel free to call my office. I look forward to speaking with you soon. Thank you.